Welcome to the Featherleaf Inn. This Caribbean eco-retreat is on the west end of St. Croix, where the rainforest meets the sea. Want to snorkel or scuba dive? One of the best dive sites on the island is right in front of the Featherleaf Inn. Or just grab a book and head down to the seashore to relax. As you drive through our seaside forest, you'll spot baobab trees that are well over 200 years old. St. Croix has more baobab trees than anywhere else in the Caribbean. Throughout the property, you will also see tamarind trees. The Featherleaf Inn is named after the delicate leaves of this tree. The fruit of the tamarind tree is used in tropical cuisine worldwide. This historical estate is part of the 265-year-old Butler Bay Plantation, built when the Virgin Islands were owned by Denmark. Since 2018, we have been transforming it into the seaside eco-hotel and botanical food forest it is today. It maintains a piece of history while providing modern conveniences. Now, the Featherleaf Inn is a place to learn about history and environmental stewardship. The property is 100% solar-powered and adjacent to a secluded bay for snorkeling and swimming. You can spend time relaxing in hammocks, cool off in the saltwater pool, or enjoy the giant swing in the grove. Want to explore the island? Featherleaf Inn offers snorkeling gear and bicycles for guests to use. Make sure you take time to see the undersea world in the warm, clear Caribbean Sea. The main house is a spacious Caribbean paradise that houses 5 guest rooms, a dining room, a classroom/yoga room, and a 52-foot gallery sunset porch where breakfast is served. The saltwater swimming pool is next to a fountain and private garden with a 20-foot waterfall. Yoga classes are held either in the main house yoga studio or under the nurturing shaded canopy of the 120-foot wide samon tree. Each room has a private entrance and its own private bathroom. While every room is different, each of the accommodations has gorgeous views overlooking the Caribbean coastline. The Seaview Suite is the entire upper floor of the main house. As you walk through the door, you are immediately greeted by sweeping ocean views, hardwood floors, and historic details. The other 4 guest rooms are found on the first floor of the main house. Each room is named after heritage trees found on the property. Down a set of stone stairs is the Dragonfly house and the Ocean house, nestled along over 1,000 feet of coastline and our food forest of fruit trees. The Dragonfly house is separate from the main house. Our favorite feature is that each room has a private balcony with a perfect view of the Caribbean Sea. All the beds in the Dragonfly house have live-edge mahogany headboards made on the property from storm-felled trees. Each room of this 3-bedroom house has 2 queen-size beds, making it a great location for groups and retreats. The nearly 2-foot-thick stone walls, ample windows, and plenty of fans keep the ocean air flowing through the rooms. The kitchen in Dragonfly House can be used by all guests staying on the property. This shared full kitchen comes with cooking utensils and dishes to create your own snacks, meals, or just store cold drinks at the inn. The Ocean House is a historic stone-arched carriage house converted into the ideal 1-bedroom vacation rental. From your ocean view deck, you can walk down the path to the coastline and snorkel at Butler Bay. This private 1,000 square foot house with full amenities is the perfect location to relax and unwind. The amenities of this home make it the perfect Caribbean vacation house. With extra twin beds and a sofa bed, it can sleep up to 5 guests. While staying here, you can wander the property and explore the budding food forest. Stroll through fruit trees and look for starfruit, jackfruit, soursop, cashews, papayas, mangoes, pomegranates, and so much more. Stay with us between December and July to taste the delicious breakfast included in your stay. Or come for one of our yoga and wellness retreats where all your meals are included. The Featherleaf Inn offers plant-based food to nourish your body and lighten our environmental footprint. We're foodies and we love sharing delicious meals with guests. Escape to the Featherly Fen, where the rainforest meets the sea. Immerse yourself in lush landscapes, savor nourishing meals, and experience the rich ecology of this beautiful island. Whether you're seeking relaxation, a rejuvenating retreat, or a unique adventure, our paradise offers it all. Book your stay today and discover a place where food, nature, and history come together for an unforgettable experience.